Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David Shapiro, located in San Diego, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you about one thing that we suggest you look into before hiring any firm, whether mine or another firm in San Diego or anywhere. Follow the firm on social media. See what they're commenting about. See what they're retweeting. See what they're sharing. See what they're liking. Because you'll learn a little bit more about that firm, far more than what you might learn about them maybe on a website, far more than what you might learn about them just by doing a little research. Do a lot of research. Look a little deeper. Because what you'll find is that there are some criminal defense law firms out there, whether in San Diego or elsewhere, that are either one of three things. One, they're nowhere to be found on social media. Nowhere to be found. Why is that? Why is that not important to them to share the messages and to disseminate information to their followers and to the public? If they are on social media, then you're going to find one or two things. You're going to see one, they're retweeting or sharing or commenting on relevant content, right? With a little sense of personality, a sense of humor, a sense of purpose. And you'll get to learn a little bit more about what's important and what that law firm and what those individual attorneys' why is, right? You know, what's your why? Being a criminal defense attorney should be more than, well, you know, it's a job, I'm a lawyer, and, you know, I couldn't get a job that I really wanted, so I decided to, you know, start my own law firm, and I guess I can do some criminal defense on the side. That's really not what you should be looking for, right? That's not what you should be paying for in a criminal defense law firm if you're facing criminal charges, right? You want someone who views this as a passion, who views this as a mission, and every day they go to work doing things that they truly believe in. What you don't want, and what will be pretty easily to find sometimes, surprising as it may seem, you don't want necessarily a law firm that doesn't believe in your defense, that doesn't believe in the right to your defense, that doesn't believe that there may be systematic racism in this country, that doesn't believe that there may be systematic issues within the criminal justice system that need to, at the very least, be discussed and addressed, and not writing it off as, well, it's an election year, or, well, it's just a certain movement. You know, it's not saying one is right or one is wrong when you have an opinion on how to fix things, but to not acknowledge that something exists, to not acknowledge that a problem exists, is concerning. You know, it's concerning to me as a fellow criminal defense attorney when I see some of my colleagues post outside of this firm. And it should be concerning to you. And I say this just so you make an educated decision on what law firm and to learn about the attorneys at that firm, because a lot of firms will talk about, oh, we have all these attorneys, we have a team, we have a group, and you have no idea who they are. They're not on the website. They're not on the YouTube page. They're not on social media. And it basically winds up being like a crapshoot as to who the law firm is that you're hiring. And you're expected to shell out $5, $10, $15, $20, $30,000 on some of these more serious cases, and you have no idea who you're hiring. You have no idea who represents you. You have no real idea what makes that person in that law firm tick. So do your research, social media, YouTube, the website, ask around, look at community involvement. How involved is that firm in their local community? All those things are essential when determining what criminal defense law firm is the right fit for you. If you have any questions about this video or about other things about what to look for in a criminal defense law firm, I encourage you to reach out to my firm at 619-295-3555. The firm can also be found on social media at Twitter at Shapiro Law SD, SHAPIROLAWSD. At that handle, you'll see the handles of all of our attorneys, myself, Stefano Malea, Ali Keegan, where you're more than welcome to follow us as well to learn more about us as individuals, as well as within our firm. As far as Instagram goes, Shapiro Crim Law SD, SHAPIROCRIMLAWSD. That's the firm's Instagram handle, and from there you can see the individual attorneys as well. Again, David Shapiro, San Diego criminal lawyer, 619-295-3555.